How's it going?
What started as a simple shoplifting call in Avondale turned into something no one expected. A man caught stealing refused to back down, and when officers tried to stop him, things escalated
I can
fast.
see him, all right? Don't do anything stupid. Be detained right now, okay? Relax your arm. Relax. Put your other arm behind your back or you're going to go down to the ground. Put your other arm behind your back or you will...
Bodycam shows the suspect arguing, his hands moving unpredictably. The officer keeps giving commands. Don't do it, stay back. But in a split second, the suspect charges forward, forcing the officer to react.
Stop or you won't go... Okay, now you're going to prison, bro. Stop!
It all happened in seconds, a moment that could have gone very differently. Real life, real consequences. If you found this intense, hit like, share, and subscribe for more real stories caught on Bodycam.